guys?
What's good, y'all?
What's poppin'?
Your girl KimaCole, and I'm back with another video. So excited. I'm here to tell y'all about this hair that I absolutely love. I know you guys are wondering, like, what am I doing? What am I doing with this hair next to me? Well, it's actually the same hair. This one is just a full lace wig and it's shorter, and mine's is a lace front wig, and obviously it's longer. Basically, I don't want to review the same hair twice, so I'm gonna just tell you guys how I feel about this one and how I feel about this one. I got this hair around last year summertime, or maybe like the beginning of last year, and I've been wearing it for a while, and I'm still wearing it. Obviously, it's beautiful. I love it. It looks so natural. Honestly, this is the most natural looking wig that I've ever bought, and I will buy this over and over and over and over again for the rest of my life. Like, I love it so much, especially for those who want to do protective styles and want to braid their hair up underneath and still want a hair that mimics their natural hair. You know, for all my melanin girls, if y'all still want hair that mimics your natural hair, this is perfect. I know y'all love it. I'm not the only one who love it. It looks beautiful. You can't lie. Like, no lies. Tell me. Look at it. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. And I know y'all want to know the details on this. This is summer hair. This literally is summer hair. If y'all trying to get ready for the summer, get this hair. Just look at it. It looks like it's coming from my scalp. Like, it looked like it's my hair, and I didn't do anything to it. All I did was wash it, let it dry, and now I'm here to tell y'all about it like it's about to be lit. Anyways, don't say I never told y'all nothing, okay? I got this hair from rpgshow.com, and it is called Big Hair Long Curly Full Lace Human Hair Wig, NC003. I got it in jet black. This one is 18 inches. This one is 16 inches. Obviously, it looks shorter than 16 inches, and we're going to get a little bit into that after I explain more about the details on this hair. The texture, silky for both. Hairline, pre-plucked for both. I love getting my hair pre-plucked because I'm not good at plucking frontals. I'm still learning, so I just get them pre-plucked when I order it. The lace color, medium brown, because of course, look at my skin color. I'm not going to get anything lighter than medium brown, and it's perfect for me. The wig cap color, because they do give you a free wig cap when you order wigs, or you can just buy it from the beauty supply store, or do like me and order a bunch of them off of Amazon, because ain't nobody got time for that. Can't just be using one wig cap the whole time. So the wig cap color I got in dark brown. I didn't get anything else with it, like the flyaway and the finishing cream. I didn't get none of those things. Let's talk about the hair now. This one is the a lace front wig. This one is a full lace wig. I bought this one first and this one second. Because I loved this hair so much, I was like, I gotta order a next one. But I didn't want to like order the exact same thing. So I tried the lace front, and yo, son, I love the lace front better than the full lace. Like, absolutely love the lace front better than the full lace. And I'm about to tell y'all why. The cap construction of this wig is cap B. Lace front wig, 200% density. The cap construction of this wig is cap A. Glueless full lace cap, 100% density. And you can clearly see the difference in densities. 100%, 200%. This wig is clearly thinner than this wig. And that's what I hate about this. If I'm wearing curly hair, I want my hair to look thick. Like, I love my curly hair looking thick. I don't like curly hair looking thin. It's like, what's the point of me buying curly hair for it to look thin? no, I don't like that. It looks really thin now, but when I first bought it, it was a little bit thicker. It wasn't this thin, but it just got thick. It just got thinner. And the length was a good inch longer than this. This one looks shorter than 16 inches. Why? Because for some reason, it shrunk. I don't know why it shrunk. I know how to take care of curly hair. I know how to wash hair. I know how to maintain hair. So why this shrunk, I don't know. But it did. This one still looks good. The length still looks good. Something about this full lace cap that's not sitting with me right. Like, I don't know. But honestly, I really did love it. That's why I ordered this one. So I can't completely shut it off. But I'm just saying, now that I got this one, kind of got to go to the side. You know, step over there. I'm just playing. I still love it. This one sheds way more than the lace front because it is full lace. Let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all what full lace looks like. You see that? And obviously the wig head is white, so that's why the scalp looks so white. But if you put this on your head, this literally looks like skin. Like, it looks like scalp. It's beautiful. Like, this is beautiful. But I don't care for it. I honestly don't care for it. I'm not opening my hair when I go outside. I'm not trying to braid the wig. I'm not trying to put it in a ponytail or anything. So I don't care for the scalp. Y'all could keep this full lace because I'm all about the lace front. Like, I love the thickness. I love the fullness. I'm all about the lace front wig. I'm over full lace. Over it. The shedding on this hair, like I say, I'm going to stress this out all the time. Because people, it's like they're trying to find hair that don't shed. Like, ooh, this hair sheds, so let me stay away from it. All hair sheds. It's just, is it excessive shedding or minimal shedding? I'll say this is minimal shedding because it only sheds when I'm washing the hair. The reason why the hair only sheds when I'm washing it is because I don't touch it when I'm wearing it. I don't brush it when I'm using it. I don't do anything to it while I'm using this wig. Like, it goes for both of these wigs. I don't do anything to it while I'm using it. The only time you see me messing around with the hair is when it's time to wash the hair. And please, do not go weeks without washing your hair. Maintain the hair as if it's your own hair. You're not gonna neglect your own hair, so please don't neglect the wig. You want the wig to last. I wish I could wear this wig every day, but because I'm trying to maintain it only on special occasions. But this is like my most favorite wig ever. If I'm going somewhere, I'm putting on this wig like, girl. Y'all, I love it so much. But I have to tell you something about this one right here. This one is a little weird sometimes because it did get so short. I could wear it for a whole day and it's just not gonna act right. When I wear it sometimes, it turns into like a, what do you call it? Like a curly fro or something. Like, it looks like a blunt cut. Like, it looks blunt. Like, it looks blunt and it turns into a blunt curly fro. And I'm just like, yeah. Kinda gonna stay away from this wig and just be all about this wig. When I wear this, it looks good the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, 6 days. It looks good for a whole week. Like, first day here, second day here, third day here, fourth day here. It looks good. And my favorite hair is probably third day hair. Like, right now, this hair is super defined because I just washed it last night. So when I put this on, like, probably in the next 2 days, girl, it's gonna look like, I can't even explain it. The hair is just gonna be You know when some of the hair separates and it just looks like this big, beautiful goodness? That's what this hair is going to look like. It feels good. It doesn't tangle. It just snags sometimes. Like right now, I doubt it's going to snag. It feels really good. Like I could run my hand through it, but I'm not because I don't want to mess up the curls. I thought I loved this one, but after ordering this one, I don't know. I gotta say bye to that. But honestly, I prefer lace fronts over full lace wigs because full lace wigs is just too thin for me. I like my hair to be super, super thick. I'm not with really the thinness at all. When I go outside, guys, I get so many compliments on this hair, like all the time. People are always staring at me, just like, oh my gosh, girl, I love your hair. Or reaching out to touch it, and I have to be like, hold up. You trying me right now. Like, you're really trying me. Do not touch my hair. I don't know why people feel so comfortable to touch your hair. Like, do you see me reaching out to you trying to touch your hair? No. So why are you trying to touch my hair? Like, that's disrespectful. Messing it up and everything. I got this hair from rpgshow.com. rpgshow.com. And the hair is lit. It's fire. It's everything. It's like amazing. Can't go wrong. I love everything about it. I honestly don't have any complaints. Like, I'm trying to think right now about what can I say. Like, what can I complain about this hair? I can't complain about nothing. Like, I really can't. This hair is popping. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for staying to the end. For all of those who stayed to the end, thank you for just supporting me. And love y'all so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media, my Snapchat, my Instagram. It's the same name, at KimaCole, at SHEKIMACOLE. Snapchat, same thing. Follow me and just stay updated with everything that I got going on. And I love y'all so much. I really do. If y'all like this video, thumbs up. If y'all want to see more videos from me, thumbs it up, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and turn on your bell notifications so whenever I post a video, you guys will know.